Sarah. Now today we're going to be servicing our air conditioner. Now some of the basic stuff can be done at home. By all means though, call a repairman if your air conditioner is omitting a funny odour or making a funny noise. But if it just seems like it's not quite doing its job properly, then more than likely the filters just need a clean, and that's something you can do at home yourself. Now we've got two different types of air conditioners that I'm going to be doing, or heat pumps, whatever you want to call them. We've got a high wall Mitsubishi up here, and we've also got a ceiling ducted system, which I will also show you how to do. And it is easy peasy. So, this one, we take the cover off, it just lifts up like that. And, as you may see, the first thing you'll see here is the filters. Now these are extremely grubby. Now, this is purely for your information. This is not because we're slack at all. This was all completely planned because we care. Now, for your information. Sam, can you hold those for me, please? Olivia, can I have the spray? Because something you can do just to ensure that it doesn't start going mouldy on the inside is we've just refilled this bottle, but it's just like some Dettol concentrate, or her spraying in the background. Stop spraying, Aston, with the torch. Aston. So this is just like some Dettol concentrate that we've refilled this stuff with. Do not use white vinegar to spray on this because it will cause it to go rusty. So if we just liberally spray these, do not spray the filters with this, but you spray this bit liberally with the disinfectant.
That's the coil.
That is the coil, thank you. Yes. So that will help ward off the mould. And if I could have the torch, where's the torch boy? Aston, can I have the torch please? Quick. It's a spray, is it? Well, I'll have this spray that's disguising itself as a torch. And if we look up here at the
fan,
thank you, you can see all the blades of it. It's reasonably clean, and that's fine. Now, if that fan, you suspect that that needs a clean, that's what the technician is for. The repairman or repairwoman, because I am all about equality. So, so this is just a filter clean. So, yay, we will get onto it. Right, so this is the other air conditioner we've got. Now, these, it's best to use a flathead screwdriver for this, but I thought I'd keep it real for those who don't have a screwdriver on hand, so I'm just using a butter knife. So, if we open these up, and I'm probably making this look a lot more difficult than what I should be. And that just comes open like that. This looks like it needs a bit of a clean too, but this here is the filter. So we take that out like so. There we go. That's a bit on the grotty side, so we will give this one a clean. Right, and here is another filter up here that we have with our ducted system. This just has a little circly bit that was a bit stiff. There we go. Ah, I see. So it just kind of screws open like that.
Hi.
And move them. Oh, I just have to come all the way out.
Yeah, just pull it out.
There we go. And that slides out. That's not too bad, but we will give it a clean just for your entertainment. Right, now we're going to give them a clean. You can use the hose outside, you can use your shower, whatever. Generally warm water tends to move the dirt a bit more easily. So I am stood behind the safety of this, and those two are in there with the shower. Off you go. Try not to spray yourself. That's the one. Aim it at the filter. Turn it right up, Olivia, so it's spraying nice and, yep, that's the one. All the way towards you. There you go. And grubby water running down. Try not to spray Sam's skirt. Olivia. Yeah. There you go. And turn it around and get the other side of the spray as well. There we go. Is that nice and clean?
Yeah, it's nice and clean now.
Right. Swap the over. Hold that as well. Yay. And turn it down. Other side. Swap the over. Swap these with one of these ones. Do the same with these. There we go. Sometimes with those fabric ones we do put a degreaser, like a bit of soap on there. Oh, you want to hold that. Right. But just spraying it with water is also fine. That one's all good, you reckon?
Yep, I can.
Right, the outdoor unit also needs looking at. You can give that a clear out if you get a torch. Get a torch and just shine it through the back, and you should be able to see. If it's clean, grubby or otherwise. If you see any black mould on the back, then you do need to call the serviceman out, because that requires an acid wash to get rid of it, which does need a professional to do it. Also vegetation. A lot of people have these things outside with lots of bushes and things around. You need to try and keep all bushes and everything at least a good foot clear of the air conditioner, because otherwise it can get blocked. And yes, now the way to clean these things out, of course, they're fine to spray water on. They're designed for outdoor elements. So the hose is turned on. If my professional repairman here, Aston, you give us a spray on the trigger. Yep, that's the one. So a good spray of that side vents there.
In the back.
And you can spray the back as well. That's the one.
Let's you drop your pliers.
Fine.
No,
Yeah, so these tend to suck in a lot of dirt and grit from cars and whatever else, and yeah, the water will just take that straight out. So that's pretty simple to do. If you feel like you need to take any covers off or anything, or undo any screws or anything, then I recommend you don't do that. Just call a technician. So yeah.
Did you get wet?
No.
Good on you.
Yay. So we're going to put everything back again. It doesn't matter if these are still slightly damp when you put them back in. But first, if we just push that back up, we just give it a bit of a brush. You can either, this is a proper dust brush, but you can just use a clean paint brush or whatever. Get all the bits of dust out from there. And then this should just slide back in. And that would be the kids bringing firewood in. Thank you.
Yep, it is the firewood.
Yeah, I picked that up from Mum.
Thank you. This is why you need a helper. And yay, that one done. Right, and so this one, okay, there we go. I'm triumphant. And back. And just like that. Knife. There, done.
So are they nice and clean now?
Yay.
Very good. Yeah, hand them over to Mum.
Thank you. Good job. And one. It's looking a lot better.
Mum,
Yeah,
yeah, it's all up to your job.
it's all my job, is it? Right. Boom. Done. Yay. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see if we can get some more videos rolling on in. Thank you.